Welcome back, and it's now time for the Business Day. Jamaicans are encouraged to be financially savvy in this new year as the cost of loans and inflation continue to rise. Javon Keys reports.
The new year for many comes with plans for what they'll do differently. And as they make resolutions, planning finances is often a priority. Financial advisor O'Roy Campbell says one should start with a budget.
List out all the expenses for this month end, and also ensuring that all the expenses for the following month are covered in that budget. And then what's left, would be considered some disposable income.
That leftover money, he says, should be used for future proofing.
They can probably invest some, whether you invest it with an investment house, invest it with your insurance company that does investment, and then also putting away some money towards an emergency fund.
A rule of thumb for the emergency fund is to have at least 6 months' income saved up, but he said that is unrealistic for many Jamaicans. Investing is an option.
If you are unable to do an emergency fund, if you're unable to follow that principle and do an emergency fund, ensure that any money that you're investing is money that you don't need right now. You won't need that money for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So if you have that money, if it's a 5,000, a 10,000, 100,000, you have that money and you won't need it in the short term, sometime even the medium term, then you can put away that money in some investments, allow it to grow, gain some dividend, reinvest the dividend and constantly grow your wealth from there.
But what if you are in debt?
See the different things that are costing you every month. Because remember now, you would have done your budget. So you know what your money is being spent on. So with that budget now, you would use it to determine, okay, I need to cross this off. Or maybe I need to spend less on this. Maybe I need to splurge less. Maybe I need to not go out as often in order to clear off these debts. And there's something that we call a snowball effect. So if you have debts and you have debt to pay, then start off with the small debts first. Maybe you might owe someone 5,000. You owe an institution 100,000. You owe someone else 500,000. So start off with the small debts first.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.